So this week we have really nice wee yellow EG in. Car has a full case swap, and it's in with us to have Hondata Kpro fitted and then tuned to suit the tuning parts that the bolt-ons that have been fitted to it. We never get EGs in. Never. It's been 2 years since the last EG's been in here. So it has. It was a really nice blue one with engine issues, so they're very, very rare. So sort of personally, it's my favourite car. I have my own one, which eventually will get built if we get around to it. But this being yellow as well, it's my favourite. It's my favourite colour and other people's favourite colour, the Y56. The Kpro's been installed. We've actually had to supply a new ECU because there was issues with the K-swap harness and the wire that was in the car. We've repaired all that, installed a new, it's an EP3 ECU with the new Kpro board in the ECU, and we've prepped the car now, and we're going to get ready on the dyno to do the base run, just to see exactly where we're starting from. The engine is from a UK Civic Type R, so 200 horsepower. Usually we see 205, possibly 210 sometimes, but usually lower than 210 before we start. This one has literally a manifold exhaust and a 3.5-inch intake with a filter on it, and we should hopefully see 230 horsepower. Okay, so we've spoke to the customer regarding this car, saying there is issues with the fuel system. He's already been made aware of it. He's told us go ahead and see if we can make it work, make it safe. So we've done our first pull in the dyno, and it's showing on the dyno graph. The car's making all right power at the wheels, but it's running really, really rich. So that's something we're hopefully going to be able to tackle in the fuel tables and make the car safe and reliable. Make hopefully up near that 230 horsepower that it should make.